Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we continue from where we stopped. In the last video we talked about some questions. Some people asked some questions and we're answering it about OpusSearch. Now OpusSearch, this should be question number 3 or 4. Now let's look at the question. The question says, what features make OpusSearch a unique AI growth agent for videos? And the answer is OpusSearch offers a suite of growth focused AI features, one of which is AI search engine that helps you find clips instantly by keyword, speaker, emotion, or action. Then the second feature is Trend Agent. It recommends timely clips from your catalog based on real-time trends. The third feature is automated cataloging, where it indexes years of content for fast future use. The fourth feature is clip clustering and compilation, where it groups similar content for playlists and micro channels. And the last one, monetization toolkits, to convert clips into branded content or ad-ready assets. So as you can see, OpusSearch is not just a tool, it is a strategy engine for scaling video content without scaling efforts. The next one we're going to answer is this question. How does OpusSearch enable real-time trend surfing and content repurposing? And the answer is OpusSearch continuously monitor online and social media trends. When a topic spikes, OpusSearch surfaces matching clips from your archive in seconds. It then suggests what to post based on current virality potential, and it lets you clip, caption, and publish trendy content immediately. So you do not need to shoot new content to stay relevant. OpusSearch makes old footage feel brand new by aligning it with today's conversations. So that's it for today. We're going to look at more in the next video.